Someone just posted a great review about us and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. We're really motivated to hear we've made so many people happy. We work with everyone individually to reach our 5-star service goal. Our approach really is one experience at a time. It's that simple. Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with anyone, whether they are new or returning. Contact the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.